Yo, guys. What is going on? I'm in like really deep holiday vibes right now. I won't lie. I'm a little bit sick, but I'm alright, man. How's everybody doing, guys? How's everybody doing? I'm just gonna get the chat up on the screen, and then we can start talking. Sweet. Oh. Paste 400. So let me get the chat there. We should be good. Rocking and rolling. Cool. Awesome. Welcome back. Yeah, man, guys. I am back, man. I am back. I was like, you know what? It's been really tricky to be streaming, I won't lie, while traveling. I didn't realize how hard it would actually be, I won't even lie. It has been really tricky. Just with everything, seeing family, just constantly driving around France. It's been quite tricky to be consistent with the streaming, and just being active as well in the community has been. I've really been struggling. Just because it's all new to me, so I'm learning along the way, you know. So I'm glad I'm back. I'm glad I'm just gonna show up every fucking day, honestly. Whether Wi-Fi is shit in the Airbnb or what. We're in the Airbnb right now. I hope the signal's good. I am moving to another Airbnb on the weekend. I'm just Airbnb hopping right now. But yeah. Let me just quickly. Yeah. But on a serious note, how's everybody doing, man? How is everybody doing? Red Fox, good morning. Daniel, what's up, brother? Hope you're doing well, my guy. Sammy, brother, just do one stream a day. Yeah, I'm just doing one stream a day. New York stream, I'm not doing it anymore. I can't. It's too much. I went into it wanting to give you guys another stream because you guys have been so great, but it's 2 streams a day is it is honestly very tricky. I'll be honest, man. It's not the easiest thing, but London stream, this is the OG stream, so I mean, why not show up on the stream every single day for you guys. Also, Nasdaq Futures, guys, I mean, I won't lie, I'm still on the same account. I haven't even touched this account. You can see the balance is still sitting up quite high. Haven't touched it. It's still sitting like as it is. I am thinking of requesting this account. I want to be finished with this account. I want to start some new accounts. I don't know if you guys saw Nasdaq Futures has started and released some new accounts. We're going to talk about them on stream. Honestly, I spoke to them after listening to all your guys' feedback, and I said, okay, we need some change. We need to put some new accounts out for these traders. They want something with a no activation fee. They want something, you know, a bit easier rules. And they listened, you know, which is really nice. The fact they listened. So we met in the middle. Obviously, there are still some things, you know, for example, the daily drawdown, but the daily drawdown's a soft breach. So if you hit the daily drawdown, you don't blow the account. It's just going to save you to trade another day. Okay, so daily drawdown is not a biggie at all. But other than that, they've got some really nice accounts now we're going to be talking about. Yeah, we are going to be talking about, and we're going to see if we're going to take any trades. Man, I'll be honest, the sell-off has been crazy. I did take a short, guys, on my other account with a different prop firm this morning. My first trade in like the last 3 days. So I'm going to see if we're going to get anything on this stream. But yeah. Daily moves. Now we're talking. Yeah, buddy. Sammy, I'm happy to see you too, bro. Yeah, Chuck, 1:30 in the morning. No, I love it, I love it. Obviously, you know, showing up and streaming every single day, it definitely is a challenge in a way, but at the same time, it's one of those things that I really do enjoy it. I really do enjoy it. How's everybody been though, guys? How's your trading been this last 2 weeks? I saw guys in the Discord that have been fucking killing it. Some guys are about to be requesting payout soon as well. Super nice. Super, super, super nice. I don't know who's living in Europe, but man, the heat is next level. And the problem is that where I'm living right now in Europe, like in the south of France, I'm living in like I'm currently staying in a little village, because I'm visiting my fiance's family for like the next 2 weeks. This village we're staying in is like very like small. Nothing, like you have to drive like 30 minutes to go to the shops, you know. It's a very beautiful village. There's a nice beach and everything, but like, man, the Airbnbs here are just so shit, man. Like, honestly, I'm just like, none of these Airbnbs have air conditioning in, like AC. None of them. I mean, the one I'm in now has got an AC, but bro, it's a fucking shit one. Like, I'm keep Airbnb hopping to try find the best AC because it gets so hot. I'm talking like 38 degrees today, type of hot. Super hot, man. Super, super, super hot. Sucks without me. Heat wave is crazy these days. Yeah, man. Heat wave is horrible these days, bro. Like, it's crazy. Honestly, you go outside and it feels like you're walking into a fucking sauna, like a hammam. Like. And then, end of next month, I'm going to Barcelona, which is going to be so hot there. Oh my god. And then Ibiza. I think I mentioned that before, actually. So, let's do a quick little look at what we're seeing on the chart. I'm on the 5-minute time frame right now. But, man, very interesting right now. So, daily time frame, as you can see right now on the screen. Honestly, it's at a weird. We're in a weird spot right now. Looking at, I generally thought we were gonna go higher, but I mean, if you look at today, we just absolutely snapped back down below that daily EMA. Okay. I honestly will not be looking to take longs today in any way because there's no fucking ways I'm gonna be longing the daily candle. The daily candle is extremely bearish. All right. Honestly, guys that want to start buying this, you need to be brave, man. You need to honestly really have a shit ton of confluences backed on top of each other in order to buy this. But yeah, this daily candle is extremely bearish right now. So yeah, if we look at yesterday was a doji, right? Yesterday was a bit of a consolidation day. It was a bit of a weird day. I did look at the chart. It wasn't super clean. It was mid. It was a midday. Yesterday was a bit of a consolidation day. All right, price tried to get higher. And we consolidated at these highs up here. Okay. And we just held below, couldn't break them, and now today we've dropped back below that EMA. Looking at this now, it's a... we need to wait to see. I don't know if we're going to have a trade right now this morning, because we can potentially go into a consolidation right now on the lower time frame. We've been extending lower for the past, I don't know how many hours. If I go to the hourly time frame quick, we can see we haven't stopped dropping. Now, to keep shorting right now, I'm not saying it's a bad idea. If you want to keep shorting, you keep... oh shit, you can't really see it on my screen. If you want to keep shorting, you keep shorting this. But the reason why I don't want to short this right now is because two things can happen. Either we can consolidate right now and range because we've been so extended. So there's something called TRT, trend, range, trend. Okay. I've never really spoken about that, but it's actually, I'm talking about it now. After a trend, price is most likely going to range and then trend again. So I don't want to take a trade and be stuck in some sort of fucking range right now, and then it starts trending after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait very patiently. Like, I need to see something that's going to say to me, okay, Cam, enter this right now. Okay, it needs to make sense. We've been extending quite heavily, as we can see on the 1 hourly below that EMA. Two things can happen. Like I said, we can range, or we can pull back into that EMA, or we're just going to continue dropping. Now, level wises, we have this level over here sitting at 30,000. Price broke through it, we retested it, and now we're holding back, going lower. Now, are there any more levels to the left? If I... oh, I just saw something now as well. Oh, fuck, sorry guys, it's quite hard to get it all zoomed in on the screen for you here. Something I am seeing, okay, if we look to the left, guys, there's a little gap, and I just saw that right now. We have a gap to the left here, okay. I'm gonna make that dotted. Okay, so yeah, just below this dotted line is that gap. We can see over here, there's a gap over here. Sitting at the 29,800 area. Price might really want to go in and fill that gap. So let's see. And if we can get below that gap, I can see us coming down into this lower level over here. Okay. So, I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. So looking at this now, that dotted line sitting at the 29,800 area, that's the start of the gap, and below that is the key level sitting down at the 29,600 area. So if we can get below that gap, if we can get below 29,800, we can maybe see a short into the level down at 29,600. Okay, right. Well, the daily is very bearish right now. Okay. I only want to look for shorts. So this is a short setup I can be potentially looking for. Okay. For a gap fill. But right now, looking at this hourly, we need to be very, very, very patient. Okay. This hourly really came down into that 29,800 area. We're having a rejection. This is why I'm saying I don't want to get stuck in some sort of range right now. Alright. I don't want that. 5 minutes. Let's just go back. Oh, sorry, the 15. Yeah, man. 15 still very bearish. We are having some sort of rejection off this level as well. So what I suggest, man, I'm going to actually stay on the 5 minute in this scenario. Maybe not. Okay, the 5. I'm going to stay on the 5 minute. And I'm going to just wait to see if we can get any EMA entry off the 5 minute now. I'm only going to look for the shorts, as I mentioned, yeah. So let's wait to see if I get some sort of EMA entry. Sarvesh, what's up? Ozzy, good morning, good morning. Dan, yeah man, better 36 degrees with the cold beer than minus 10 degrees with the warm beer. Yeah, that is true. Although, yeah, minus 10 degrees is way too cold, dude. Fuck me, dude. And yo, a warm beer, dude, horrible, horrible. I did yesterday, however, well, it wasn't yesterday, a few days ago, I had a couple beers in the sun, and man, the heat wave and the beers didn't go well, man. Oh, I got sunstroke plus. You know when you drink too many beers in the sun, bro, like, fuck, dude, horrible. So I'm just on a bit of a, I need a few days, you know, recovery after that one, I won't lie. Oh. Also, guys, update. So, while we wait for this trade, let's talk a bit. As I mentioned, end of next month, guys, on the 29th of July, I'm going to Barcelona to meet up with my father and my brother for 3 days, and then we're flying to Ibiza for 1 week. I haven't decided yet if I will be going to South Africa. Now, it's going to be a last minute decision. I'm thinking about it, if it makes sense to go, but I'm possibly thinking of flying from Ibiza to South Africa with my brother, back to Cape Town for 2 weeks. Obviously, I'm still going to be streaming when I'm in Cape Town. My brother's a trader as well. So, well, he trades, like, you know, part-time. He's more of a gambler. He gambles online casinos, but he does trade. So I'll get him to come trade the streams with me. But yeah, the Cape Town streams will be good, man. They will be good. Also, I've started vlogging, by the way, guys. I've started day in the life vlogs. I'm busy putting one together for my own YouTube channel. So I'm going to start some. I don't know. I won't lie. Vlogging is actually really fun. I didn't realize it's so fun. I love doing it. It keeps me busy editing when I've got nothing to do. It's cool. So, and I've been making some really fucking cool content for you guys as well for YouTube. It's just for me, really. It's not really for you guys. It's just, you know, I want to look back at it in a few years' time. You guys can obviously go watch it and stuff, but yeah, the Ibiza vlog will be crazy, I think. Honestly, it will be crazy. Yeah, Sammy, I am spending a lot of time on the beach, man. I'm spending a lot of time on the beach. More by the pool than the beach. The beach has just got too many tourists. And yeah. But I'm spending more time by the pool side. Like, there's this really big pool at a hotel that I go to. It's really nice. You know, you can drink cocktails, you can eat. Atlas, what's up, brother? Just following up on the giveaway. Fuck, bro. Honestly, dude, I don't even know, dude. I'll be honest. I sent all the emails of all the winners to Funder Pro. If they didn't give you the account, then it's because you weren't signed up under the link that I told you guys to sign up. They're very strict with it, man. They are very, very strict with it. They don't want to just give accounts to anybody, because the thing is, they've had a lot of people. What happened with the giveaways, a lot of people ruined it. So when we do a giveaway, we're going to do it very differently from now on. A lot of people ruined the last giveaways. A lot of the guys on stream went and actually messaged Funder Pro directly saying that they won when they didn't, and it caused a big noise behind the scenes. And because of that, we won't be doing duck races anymore. I'm going to be doing a different type of giveaway. We will still be doing giveaways, but they're going to be done differently. I'm not going to be doing the way we used to, because a lot of people took advantage and tried to rig that system and tried to scam through me to get free accounts, man, which actually pissed me off a lot. How's the climate outside there? It's hot, Salvesh. It's hot, bro. Right now it's like maybe 28 degrees, but 27 degrees right now, and it's only 10 a.m. It's hot, bro. Super sunny. Who's taken payouts this month, man? Who has taken payouts this month? Real question. See, we have an inside bar on the 5-minute right now. The only thing is I won't be taking this inside bar entry. The reason being is that I want to see the candles come up into EMA and then inside bar back lower. Right now there was no retest of that EMA. I don't want to see anything right now. So if you guys want to take this inside bar short, go ahead. Me, I'm not doing it. I will not be taking that. It's just I need something really telling me we're gonna drop. Nobody's taking payouts, bro. There's no one taking payouts. Surely one of you must have been taking some payouts this last couple of weeks. Bailey! 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 Hi, my girl! Come! Come! Come here! Come here! Come sit with me! Come! 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 Come, Bailey, come! Come! I mean, this could be a short, I guess. Guys, I mean, this could be, but I won't be taking this personally. If you guys want to take this short, like maybe it's like a 1 to 2 into that gap fill. That could be a short, I guess. I mean, it's not I guess, it can be, but I won't be taking that, man. I don't want to be taking that. $7K this month. Very nice, brother. Wow, that's a big payout, man. Very, very nice. Yeah, so for the guys that want to take this short, go ahead and take it if you want. It is valid, definitely. But like I said, I personally want something a bit better. But this can very well play out. Start off by hitting like a 1 to 2, I would say. And then, yeah, manage from there. Guys, right now, the ranges are very, very big on NQ. There's so much volatility right now. your stop losses are going to be bigger. Okay, so make sure you're managing risk. Fuck, now I'm like, damn, should have taken that short, but it's okay. It's alright. There we go, we closed. We're trying to get back under 29,800. Let's see if we can close back under 29,800. Did anybody take the short? I know one of you did. Don't lie. Sure would. Appreciate it, man. Mario, much love. Yeah, Mario, I'm still with my family right now. I think for the people that really understood me taking time for holidays, spending time with my family, I really appreciate every single one of you. I know there were some people out there that just weren't really understanding 100%. I noticed. Those people that didn't really understand, go away. I never get to see my family. It's just me. I live in Europe by myself with my fiance. My whole family lives in South Africa on the other side of the world. I get to see them once every 2 years maybe. I'm trying to see them every year now. But yeah, I missed you, Jane Bond. Jane Bond, I missed you the most probably. No, guys, I'm still on vacation, by the way, and I'm not in Ibiza yet. I'm going to Ibiza end of next month. Ibiza next month, man. Dan, nice. Daniel, I've noticed, man, you're doing so much better now since you've been stopping and locking yourself out. I told you, bro. Having that, like, being done, walking away makes it so much more easier to stay profitable. Like, it's crazy, right? Tell me right now the results haven't been great on your side, because they definitely have. I saw what you posted inside of the Discord. The fact that you're eligible for a payout, but you wanted to build your buffer a bit more. That's amazing. Was a nice short though. Nice, Jane. Very nice. But I should have taken this trade. Damn. But no one answered. Nobody in the chat took this trade. I saw some. There's guys that are locked out that are just watching stream. I don't even know. Like the guy. Listen. The guys that are done trading for the day, that have locked themselves out their account. Why are you even on my stream? I don't want you to be here. Well, obviously I want you to be here, but you know what I mean. Like just go enjoy the rest of your day, because that's what trading is, man. You don't want to be looking at my stream. Yeah, Daniel, exactly. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's much easier to enjoy your day knowing that you can trade again tomorrow. Do you know what I mean? But Daniel, get off the stream, dude. Go fucking enjoy your day, bro. Come on, it's sunny out in here in Europe today. Just go. Just get off the chart, dude. What are you doing? You're done, no? Fuck. Future of Thrones took the trade and made $2,000. Holy fuck, dude. Please send me some of that, huh? You must have been risking heavy, like. Yo, guys, has anyone been watching the World Cup? Man, I placed a bet, I won't lie. I placed a bet that Argentina's gonna win. Yeah. I placed the bet, man. I never really do betting, but you know what? Argentina's my team. Since 2010 World Cup in South Africa. Like, honestly. Looking the way they're performing, bro. It's crazy. Crazy. Now sit in my garden, drink a coffee, smoke a cigarette, and watch the stream. Just nice. You got a beautiful garden, bro. I remember you sent a picture in the fucking group. Fucking beautiful garden, man. It's so nice being in the south with my dog, because I can take her out, like, you know, just I can walk her out the Airbnb on the beach. But the problem is, it's too hot for her, man. It's so hot. You can't walk a dog out in this heat. People that are walking their dogs out in this European heat, man, it's horrible. You need, unless it's not so hot where you are. But man, there's people here walking their dogs out in this heat on the hot pavement outside. Their feet must be burning away. So dangerous, man. Guys, a quick question. Just a show of hands, did anybody purchase the new Funder Pro Future accounts? Did anybody purchase, man? Yeah, it's not that they need dog boots, Ren. It's just too hot for them. Like, even breathing in, like, it's like, fuck, I mean, horrible. It's way too hot. I just take my dog out early in the morning and late at night. In the evening when the temperature drops. Okay. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is I want to talk about the new accounts, because I need to show some of you how much better they are. There's some fucking really nice. There's one account that I really like. I will talk about that one today. So I'm thinking of for sure getting a few of those. personal account. Nice. I need to keep carrying. My personal account's been sitting inactive for a while now. Yeah, if you guys still have an eval that was bought, you know, before the new ones were released, then yeah, the rules will still be the same for you. Yeah. They will still be the same. See, this is why I didn't take this trade. Like, it looked good, but man, I can expect a pullback at some point. I don't want to be trapped in that. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel that, man. Let's cancel. Let's just wait. I really see now. Let's see. Maybe if we can tap EMA and get back under, that would be a better short for me. You know. So let's see if we can get that. I know we can. I know we can. If you guys have not already, come on, first stream back. Hit that like button, guys. Come on, do it for Cam. There's 70 of you, 30 likes. Come on, let's run that likes up, guys. Come on, let's go. First stream back. Where's your dog? My dog is on my lap. She's sleeping. She's sleeping. Last week was very bad. Drove those Funded Pro evals into a hole of $24 drawdown left, but bought them back to life this week, and I'm back at 2,000. What? You had $24 left of drawdown, and you bought them back to $2,000 of drawdown. How the fuck did you do that? That is a big, that's like a huge flip, dude. Not even I've done that before. $24 to $2,000. Gee, okay, be honest. Did you full port? The vet. Appreciate it, man. It's nice to be back. $24 and you saved the account. Nah, it's wild. Absolutely wild. But bro, how did you size down at $24? Like you went in, I'm assuming you went in with one micro and you just built. That's impressive. That's fucking impressive, bro. Listen, I don't think anyone in that chat's done that before. I've never done that. I've never heard of anybody that done that. I don't know if this guy's, if he's trolling me, but but that if you are speaking truth, that's well done. That's impressive, bro. Psychologically, that's extremely hard, bro. Let me tell you right now, on a psychological part of things, that is extremely hard to save an account. Yeah. Yo, crazy. Crazy. Yeah, it's always possible, you know, but it's still crazy. Oh. I'm not dead until you're dead. Facts. Facts. Daniel, have a good day, brother. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. See you tomorrow. We're streaming again every day, huh? Guys, by the way, we are back live every day. Retracing the 5 minute. Yeah, let's see, man. That 5 minutes, we came into EMA, we were rejecting off. Let's see. Hello, boys. Hi. Hi. Oh. I must tell you guys something funny. Yesterday, my fiance got max funded. Max funded, man. With a prop firm. She's got 5 50k accounts. I'm so proud of her, I won't lie. Oh my god, I'm proud of her. I did obviously help her. I did help her. But she's max funded. I said to her, babe, listen, if you're gonna, if I'm gonna buy you in a trading, if I'm gonna buy you a trading account, I need to get you 5. I'm not gonna be doing 1. You need to, we need to get you, I need to make you rich, yeah? 1 account won't make you rich, but 5 will. So yeah, she's max funded. I just have to activate the accounts for her, and then yeah, she's gonna be fucking making good money. She's very cute. She sits with me when I'm trading with her laptop next to me, and she just she copies me and tries to learn at the same time. It's very sweet, man. I love it. I love that she's so funny. Like, my fiance, guys, I promise you, she's on the charts before me. Like, as I'm waking up having a coffee, she'll run to the bedroom and tell me, babe, Nasdaq's going up so much. And then I panic thinking I'm missing out on a big move. I look and there's just like one 5-minute candle. Yeah, no, it's very good. The copy trade on D chart's very good, man. It's very, very, very good. I'm gonna try to do a giveaway tomorrow for you guys as well. Tomorrow's gonna be a giveaway, maybe. Let's see. Give away some of the new accounts. Talking about the new accounts, oh guys, I know right now it's a slow stream, there's no action, but guys, we are not here to rush and force trades. Okay, trust me, we all know what happens when Cameron waits for the good trade. I win. Okay, I don't want to be taking a trade now just based off the fact that I'm live. Okay, I want to take a trade based off the fact that if you guys take it with me, you're gonna make money. Okay, obviously I'm not saying copy me, but I don't want to be taking shit trades live on stream. Okay, that's why I want to keep my win rate good. But right now there's no trade whatsoever. Yeah, Wesley, I won't lie, I'm very, very blessed to have the woman I have in my life. She's amazing. She works so fucking hard. Like, she doesn't even need... I said to her the other day, like, babe, you don't need to work this summer. Like, it's cool, whatever. Like, don't work. She insists to work. She's a tattoo artist. She loves her job. She's passionate. She will never, ever, ever rely on me or ask me for money. She wants to make her own, and it motivates her to want to... And having that attitude motivates her to want to be good at trading. It's so fucking amazing. I won't lie. I'm so proud of her. That's why I support her with it. I help her. I get her accounts and everything, because she's an amazing person. I'm so grateful to have met a girl with that much ambition and drive to want to just do well in life. Like, it's amazing. There's so many women out there that are leeches, man. Like, a lot of them that leech on men that are successful. Trust me, bro. My fiance was with me when I was struggling, bro. Like, I wasn't even rich. I wasn't even profitable, bro, by the time when I met her. I was working in a 9-to-5 job. She was with me throughout the whole process. She supported me throughout the whole process. My fiance, guys, when I had no money, like 4 years ago, when I lost it all in trading, she bought me a funded account like a couple times to support me. Like, she was amazing. She was amazing. Will I stream on my YouTube? Yeah, we'll definitely stream on my YouTube, but like not right now. Nah. The new okay, let's talk about the new futures challenges, guys, while we wait for a setup. I need to just the pro futures and the pro futures and the pro. Okay. Alright. Let me just make sure you guys can see the screen. Give me a minute, everybody. I need to just crop this so everyone can see. Okay, we're gonna talk. Yeah, we're gonna talk about the new accounts, because I wanna go over so everyone can understand what's actually happening here. Okay, so let's talk new future accounts, guys, right? Okay, so Okay, so guys, the new Funder Pro future accounts. So as I'm told all of you, I did speak with them and I said, guys, we need some new accounts, man. We need some accounts that are going to be a lot easier to pass and easier to get payouts, because the previous Funder Pro future accounts wasn't easy. Okay, it was like if you had to have been a very profitable, good trader in order to be successful on those. This is more beginner friendly now, these accounts, which we're going to talk about, okay? And it makes trading a lot more easier with Funder Pro futures to get some payouts, okay? So, a futures program designed by traders. Basically, I told them, guys, this is what these traders are wanting. Can we meet in the middle? I said, guys, let's meet in the middle. Let's give them what they want, but at the same time, let's, look after the risk of Funder Pro futures, okay? Because guys, a prop firm needs to look after their risk. They can't give you accounts that make it too easy to make payouts, right? There has to be a bit of a challenge to it, okay? It's normal. Every prop firm has that. So I spoke to them. I'm like, okay, cool. We need accounts with no activation fee. We need accounts with a better consistency rule. We need accounts with easier payout targets, right? So they went and they did that, okay? We've got the beginner accounts, okay? And we've got the mid-level. Now, if we look at the beginner, okay, let's look at the 50k accounts first, the 50k. So the 50k accounts, guys, is $79. If you use my code CAM, you'll get it for like $60, okay? I think you save $20 because it's a 20% off code. So if you use code CAM, you'll get 20% off, $20 off the, $20. You'll get 20% off this. So you'll get it for like $60 or something like that. There is no activation fee, which means it's a one-time payment, okay? Once you pass, you get your funded account straight after once you sign your contract. Okay? You can use up to five minis, 50 micros, which is fucking good, okay? It's a really good size for a 50k account. You need to make $3,000, guys, to pass the account. That's just standard. Every 50k account, guys, out there, you need to make 3k to pass, right? Which is standard, okay? You have a daily pause, which is $1,000. So if you lose $1,000 in one day, your account gets paused and you can continue trading it the next day. That does not mean you blow your account, guys. A daily pauses, it's basically stopping you from trading. You can only continue trading the next day, okay? Daily drawdown, max drawdown, you can't lose $2,000 of the account, okay? So you are paying, guys, you're paying $70, yeah, for $2,000 worth of trading capital, okay? Think about that ROI. It's crazy. You're going to be paying $70 for $2,000 to trade with. It's crazy, right? And there's an 80% split, okay? 80% profit split, okay? Per payout. You can request payout, guys. Where's the funded? Oh yeah. So you can request payout on this account every 5 winning days, okay? So once you get funded, you need 5 winning days of $100. Then you can request a payout, okay? There is a 50% consistency rule on the funded, but that's okay, guys. If you don't know how to trade a consistency rule, you need to manage it. It's so fucking easy. Like if you make $1,000 on your first trade, yeah, you will need to make $2,000 in total to then request a payout. But if you have 5 winning days, it's easy. So what I suggest, how I approach a 50k account, guys, it's my first trade, I will, I go for the big trade. I make a big buffer. So if my first trade is $2,000, because of the 50% consistency rule, I will now need to make $4,000 over the next 5 days in order to then request 80% of my account. Now, the great part, guys, about the 80% split is that most prop firms only allow a 50%. They only allow you to request 50%. You can request 100% of your balance if you want, but with an 80% split, okay? But if you do that, you will then lose your account because you'll have no more drawdown. Okay? So that's that on the beginner. Great account, guys. If you want to find something that's affordable, and guys, also one last thing, the payout cap on this account is on the 50k account. I think it's $1,500 on the 50k. Obviously, it increases the higher you go. The 150k is $3,000 payout cap. But if you copy trading 5 accounts and you have $1,500 per account, you can imagine how much money that is. Yeah, it's almost 10 grand, just under $10,000. Like I think it's like $7,000 or something. So yeah, I do suggest that these 50k accounts are top. Okay, they are top. Super cheap, super affordable, no activation fee, easy to pass, man, and easy to get a payout. Like so straightforward. I will be buying these beginner accounts. Okay, we'll talk about the mid-level, but these beginner accounts are great. They are great. Just the ROI is insane. Okay, and yes, Funder Pro Futures does pay, guys. Don't worry. I've never had a denied payout from them. Okay. Mid-level is the next one. This one has an activation fee, and the reason for that is that you got a higher payout cap. In order to have higher payout caps, you're going to need to pay the activation fee for those. Okay. But there still are great accounts. There's still the consistency rule is still the same in the evaluation and the funded. It's still the same as the beginner, which is great. You also have a higher profit share. You don't only have a higher payout cap, you got a higher profit share of 90%, which is wild. Okay? The drawdown and the profit targets are exactly the same. They're exactly the same. So the only difference between the mid-level and the beginner, guys, is that the mid-level, you pay an activation fee for a higher profit split and a higher profit cap. That's it. That's it. So yeah, you can actually use. Would you say it's better than Lucid? Yes, I do. I would say it's better personally. I would. I mean, you know what? It depends. Everyone's got their own opinion on prop firms. I do trade with Lucid as well. Okay. I trade with 3 firms, as I've always told you guys. Lucid is one of them. I love Lucid, but Funder Pro Futures is. I'll put Funder Pro Futures on top for sure, just because like they pay me out quicker. I don't know. I don't know. I like. It's just a preference thing for me personally, but yeah. I do really think and believe that the new accounts have become very competitive with other firms as well, and they're a lot more affordable, man. They are so affordable. $60 for a 50k account, like it's crazy. That's cheaper than, for example, Lucid. Yeah, Lucid's like $90, and the payout cap is the same. So Funder Pro really did something great, but you obviously need to use code CAM, and you will then get it for cheaper, obviously. So. Yeah, no. So once you withdraw, so basically, if you have $1,500 in your account, okay, and you withdraw the full $1,500 out, you will then lose the account. But if you have $3,000 in the account and you withdraw $1,500 out, you'll have $1,500 left in drawdown. Okay. You need to leave a buffer if you don't want to lose the account. I mean, guys, a beginner 100k account is $150 plus my code. You'll be paying $120, I think it is, which is crazy because you're going to be paying $120, yeah, for a $3,000 drawdown. Don't worry about the account fucking size, yeah? That's nothing. What matters is the drawdown, because that's how much you actually have to trade, right? You don't have $100,000 to trade. You don't have $50,000 to trade. What you do have to trade is the $2,000, the $3,000, or the $4,500. So remember, if you guys say, oh, it's too expensive, you are paying $60, man, for fucking $2,000 to trade. It's like you giving me $60 and I'm giving you $2,000 cash back. It's a crazy ROI. Like, you can have 5. You can have 5 accounts, man. 5 accounts. No, don't worry. You can ask whatever you want. But yeah, you can copy trade 5 accounts. And Deep Chart is really great for copy trading, man. I've never had an issue copy trading with them. I don't copy trade currently with them. But yeah, Deep Chart, I've never had an issue copy trading with them, man. Super great platform to copy trade. Very straightforward. Yeah, I've never had an issue, man. Never had an issue. Obviously, copy trading, your payouts will increase drastically. If you're getting, for example, on the 100K account, I think it's a $2,000 payout. So on the 100K accounts, where is it? On the 100K accounts, I think it's a $2,000 payout cap. So if you have 5 of those, that's a $10,000 payout, right? And you spent nothing to get that account. If you leave a buffer and make 1,500 every cycle, you can withdraw. How long can you use that account? Basically, hold on, let me just understand your question. How long can you use that account this way? A certain amount of payouts on this account. You get, I think it's 5 payouts. 5 payouts, and then after it's daily payout. I think. But I know for a fact that after a certain amount of payouts, you'll get moved to a daily payout, I think. I need to just double check that one. Let me ask the AI bot. No, I'm not gonna ask. What I'll do, I'll inform you guys in the next stream. But I think it's that. I think you get like 4 or 5 payouts or something. So yeah, if you got, for example, it's mad. If you have 500K accounts, for example, and you're requesting $2,000 per payout, times that by 5, that's $50,000. 50,000 fucking dollars, man. Wild money. We have to pay monthly $79 for 50K. Yeah, it's a subscription, man. So when you pass, you stop paying. The minute you pass, FunderPro cancels your subscription, and then you're no longer paid anymore. But if you fail, you will then be charged again. But you can cancel the subscription, so you don't get charged again. So I don't know why people worried about that. It makes no difference, man. Just don't forget to cancel. Yeah. Let's actually go to the product. Maybe it tells us here. Rewards. Okay, so let's look here. Oh, yes, I see. Okay, so I was wrong. The first reward is a 60% split. The second is a 70. The third is a 80. Okay. Now, that's on the third reward onwards. So basically, every reward you go, the percentage goes up. Okay. To request the first reward, 5 days. There you go. Your first profit day must be 45. Okay, this needs to be updated. I don't think this is. This needs to be updated, guys. This isn't correct. This needs to be updated. I will be informing them that needs to be updated. This isn't correct. They're talking about their old account here. They need to update that. Maybe they, I don't know, maybe they forgot that one. But it's alright. Wow. I think guys, I personally think I'm gonna get 500k accounts. I don't care about the 150k is a $3,000 payout. It's still a good payout cap, but the 100k are just, they're just easy to pass, man. Just easy to pass. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap that up. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna be back live again tomorrow at the same time. So yeah, let's get the daily streams rolling again. Appreciate you all being here. Yes, there was no trade today. I'm just not feeling it, man. I'm not feeling this price action at all right now. We are ranging as we spoke about, so I'm happy I did call that and played it safe today. I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow on tomorrow's stream. Let's hope tomorrow we get